The stock market's doing very well today, despite higher than expected job losses for the month of June, according to the ADP payroll report, with job losses at 33,000 compared to 100,000 expected. Why is that? You might ask, why is the market doing well? Well, the market's starting to price in increased chances of a July rate cut, bringing potentially three rate cuts by the end of this year. Why is that good? Well, that's more easy money for the markets. That's more money printing effectively, with lower interest rates. And another reason why the market is doing well is that President Trump announced the Truth Social that he reached a trade deal with Vietnam. Details to follow. Vietnam is a pretty big trading partner of ours, so that's some good news. Let's see if there's actually substance in there and not just symbolic. But either way, that's helping the markets right now. And then I also want to talk about Meta's AI hiring spree. They're really spending a lot of money to hire the best AI talent around the world in order to compete with OpenAI and Google. They're hiring and they're paying pretty much $14.3 billion to get Alexander Wang from Scale AI on board with Meta, and he's leading up the super intelligence lab at Meta, overseeing a bunch of other new hires that Meta has been given offers to recently in order to compete, as I said, with Google and OpenAI. It's rumored that these people were given $100 million sign-on bonuses in order to move over to Meta from competitors OpenAI and Google. And why is Meta doing this? Well, they want to compete with with OpenAI and Google, and they need the best AI talent in order to do so. This is a AI arms race between these companies. We just saw the other day that Apple, because they're not really using their own AI models with Siri in the future, they want to partner with either OpenAI or Anthropic. Between Meta and Apple, they're on a AI hiring or and shopping spree. So we had that. And I also wanted to talk quickly about Tesla. Tesla had their second quarter delivery numbers come out today, and it came out 384,000, which is a 14% drop, specifically 13.5% drop from last year. But I think the worst is over, and that 384,000 number was higher than the whisper number, the most feared number of 350,000. So between Tesla's robo-taxi efforts in Austin, hopefully that Tesla will be able to do that in other cities, and their refresh Model Y and some resurging demand in China, hopefully Tesla will be able to recover more so long as Elon Musk and President Trump's feud cools off, in my opinion.